How to get premium on Poly.AI. So just a heads up, premium is not available on the website version of Poly.AI, whether you're on PC or mobile browser. So in this video, I'll show you how to get Poly Premium using the mobile app instead. So to get started, the first thing you'll need to do is download the Poly.AI app on your phone. It's available on both Android and iOS. So once you've installed the app, open it up and look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a person icon. That's your profile. Tap on it. Next, tap login or sign up. You can either log in with Google or your email. Google is usually faster, so I'll go with that. And now you're logged in. Now on your profile page, you'll see two options, Poly Premium and Poly Standard. Tap Poly Premium and subscribe. So here are the current subscription options in Philippine pesos. We have 999 for the monthly subscription, which is discounted from 1998. We have 4990 for 6 months and 9990 for 1 year. Now choose the plan you want and you can hit subscribe at the bottom and you'll proceed with the payment. Now once subscribed, you'll instantly unlock Poly Premium features, and it includes AI ultra long memory, only voice listening chats, ad-free experience, and only chats. And honestly, many more powerful features. Sure, it's a bit more expensive than Poly Standard, but you're getting the full experience, no limits. And yeah, that's it. That's how to get Poly AI Premium on mobile. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.